जय श्रीमन्नारायण। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 5th chapter कर्म संन्यास योगम 11th श्लोक। गीताचार्य श्री कृष्ण परमात्मा giving his teachings to each and every one of us, including Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma saying that, Arjuna, there is so much of karma bondage around yourself. Yourself means Atma. Now you have to relieve yourself from that karma bondage. Karma bondage is pollution. Now you have to purify yourself. In order to relieve yourself from the karma bondage, you have to perform karma only. Only by performing karma, other karma can be cleansed. But there is a small change. How and why karmas became bondage to you? Because you have claimed whatever you have done that I did, and you were attached to the karma that you have done, and you were also attached to the fruits of the karma that you have done. That is why entire of that karma became bondage to you. And this karma is not just from this birth, but also from so many previous millions of birth. All of that became strong bondage, and now it is around yourself. You have to relieve yourself from that strong karma bondage. You have to purify yourself. In order to do that, now start performing your karma, but with a small change. Do not claim that I am doing. Do not be attached to the karma that you are performing. Do not be attached to the fruits of the karma that you are performing. This is the change that you have to make sure in your karma. So that means you are qualifying your karma with jnanam. And now be attached to the Atma with your manas. Make sure your buddhi also attached to the Atma. And let the body perform, let the senses perform their own actions. If you do all this, every action that you are performing becomes jnanakaram, qualified karma. This qualified karma is capable of cleansing all the previous bondage. Like that, you have to start performing your actions with qualifying them to get yourself relieved from the previous bondage and get yourself purified. Like this, Sri Krishna Paramatma helping us understand how to cleanse ourselves, how to purify ourselves, how to get ourselves relieved from the so much of strong karma bondage. Having Krishna Paramatma's teachings running in our thoughts, now let us repeat Sri Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Kayena manasa buddhya kevalaihi indriyairapi yoginaha karma kurvanti Sangam tyaktva atmasuddhaye. Om. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending every one of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma says, always think about me, become my devotee, keep on performing all of your duties as my service. Keep on remembering the fact that you are my belonging and keep doing namaskaram to me. Surrender to me alone unconditionally. Mamekam saranam vraja. Do not cry. Ma suchaha. Keep on remembering my teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. Keep on spreading my teachings, my Bhagavad Gita, among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will become my most beloved devotee, and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on meditating upon you. O Sriman Narayana, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, I shall not cry any more. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on spreading your message among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam. Sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam. Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam. Muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantam apeta krutyam. Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava. Putreti tanmayataya taravo vineduhu. Tam sarva bhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Sriman Narayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naran chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam Dvitiya Skandham, Suta Maharshi discoursing to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra giving his teachings to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Chaturmukha Brahma describing Sriman Narayana's avatarams to Narada Maharshi. In that process, Chaturmukha Brahma saying, O Narada, Paramatma came down as Buddha avataram, as a Buddha. When there were some people who were atheists, who were not believing in Vedas, who were not respecting any devotees, but they learned Vedas, they mastered Vedas, and then with that knowledge from Veda, Maya, he built beautiful, powerful air flights. And now those who wants to misuse the Vedic knowledge, they used to use all those aeroplanes which can fly in the sky, which cannot be seen by anyone. And with that kind of power, all these people were started destroying all the people, started killing the people. That means they do not believe in Vedas, but they have gained Vedic knowledge. They started misusing Vedic knowledge. At that time, Sakshat Paramatma came down, Padmakshundu Buddha Krutin Ati Pralobham Vesham Vidhaya. He became a beautiful Buddha who can captivate anyone's vision. Nobody can take off their eyes from this Buddha. To that extent he became so beautiful and he became so handsome. In that form, Sriman Narayana came down and started diverting all those who were misusing Vedic knowledge, started diverting all of them into non-Vedic way. So to bring all of them from Vedic path to non-Vedic path, this Buddha started teaching Pashanda Matam. Like that, Sakshat Sriman Narayana came down as Buddha. Like this, Chaturmukha Brahma explaining to Narada Maharshi about Buddhavataram. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Slokas from Mukundamala Stotram. Vyamoha prasamaushadham Munimanovrutti pravrutyaushadham Daityendrartikaraushadham Tribhuvani Sanjeevanaikaushadham Bhaktaatyantahitaushadham Bhavabhaya Pradvamsanaikaushadham Shreyah Praptikaraushadham Piba Manaha Sri Krishna Divyaushadham Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham Krishne Namarashatravo Vinihataha Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam Krishnasya Dasosmyaham Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 5th chapter, 11th sloka. Kayena Manasa Buddhya Kevalaihi Indriyairapi Yoginah Karma Kurvanti Sangam Tyaktva Atma Suddhaye. Kayena Manasa Buddhya Kevalaihi Indriyairapi Yoginah Karma Kurvanti Sangam Tyaktva ఆత్మశుద్ధయే. శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. కరిష్యే వచనం తవ. సర్వం శ్రీకృష్ణార్పణమస్తు. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.